Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Siti Devika Hairunisa from the postgraduate Law Sri Kancana University. Now I want to tell you about analysis of prevention and protection of children in case of sexual abuse. Uh, Sexual abuse against children according to and child prostitution in Asian tourism or ICPAT is a relationship or interaction between a children and an older person or adult, such a stranger, sibling, or parents, where the child is used an object to satisfy the sexual needs of the perpetrator. These acts are carried out using coercion threats, bribes, deception, and even pressure. Their child abuse activities do not always involve physical contact between the perpetrator and the child victim. According to WHO, the type of sexual abuse can be number one, a sexual abuse in the form of rape, forced touching or kissing in armed conflict. Number two, mentally harassing or making sexual jokes. Number three, sharing obscene videos or photos, or forcing someone to take part in pornography. Number four, the demanding or forcing sexual activity on someone. Number five, forcing someone not to use pill or other. Number six, sexual abuse of the genital, including compulsory virginity examination. And the last one, prostitution. For the factor causing sexual abuse against children, sexual abuse is committed against children because the perpetrator sees the child weak and innocent position. Children's developmental stage are generally still weak and do not understand many things. So they are often abused by irresponsible people. Sexual abuse against children can occur from the absence of opportunities that the perpetrator has to fulfill his sexual needs and cannot privacy. maintain privacy. Factors that cause sexual abuse in children include A. Hormonal change by the perpetrator. B. Technological developments. C. Lifestyle change. Number D. Sociocultural influence. Number E. Lack of knowledge about sexual abuse. Now I want to tell you about impact of sexual abuse. Sexual abuse perpetrated on child will have a traumatic impact on their lives. When they experience sexual abuse, they still do not understand the condition that occur and they do not realize that they are victims or this phenomenon The child as a victim is the subject of an outlet for the lust of the perpetrator, which will greatly affect the physiological and psychosocial aspect of him. Here are some of the impact that occur. Number one, physiological impact. According to WHO, social abuse will have an impact on the mental health of children as victims. This is because generally the perpetrator and victims live in the same environment, so they tend to experience depression, phobias, and experience suspicion on other for long time. Number two, physical impact. When a child experiences the phenomenon of sexual abuse, it will affect their physical change. The child will experience delay in bright growth and damage to their internal organs. So number three, social impact. In addition to the physical and psychological impact, child victims of sexual abuse will also have an impact on their social life. This phenomenon is social and the community. So if social abuse occur, it will lead to various negative views from the community. So for the prevention, number one, role of family. In family, parents have an obligation to protect their children from harms, including preventing child sexual abuse. Here are some preventive steps at parental assistance that can be given to children in providing sex education stimulus, including number one, give the child name according to child genders. This also affects the child understanding in distinguishing between male and female sex. Number two, give treatment to children according to their gender. Parents must be able to educate and treat their children according the sex of the child. For number three, including body parts and their function to children. Introducing and explaining the function of the limb to child is also very important to give the children, so that if there is someone who intend to harm the children, the child already know what is alright and what is not right. And for the last, of course, some children not to expose the aurat and cover it up. Covering the aurat is also a profession that can overcome abuse against children. In Islam, covering the aurat is mandatory for both men and women. For this reason, getting children used to covering their aura is also a form of parental assistance in parenting child abuse. And for protection, uh, including number one, protection in term of law. Indonesia has a number of laws that protects children from sexual abuse, such as the Law on Child Protection, which regulates sexual abuse of minors. In Article 81 and 82 stipulate that perpetrators of sexual abuse of children are sentenced to a maximum of 15 years in prison. Law number 12 of 2022 on Criminal Act of Sexual Abuse regulates the protection, prevention, handling, and recovery from the form of criminal act of sexual violence. So the victim has the right to report case to the authorities and get legal protect. The preparator will be subject to first criminal sanction. And number two, social protection. Various extension services are available for victims, such as counseling, medical care, and legal support. The existence of sexual abuse prevention programs in schools and communities will increase the prevention of sexual violence in school and communities. Then, with social protection, and then with social protection, so that victims get support and thousands to quickly recover from their trauma. That's all I can say. More and less apologize and sorry for my poor English pronunciation. Thank you and bye.